Hey folks, welcome to the station tour of 23rd Street on the 6th Avenue line. And we are apparently just witnessed some people. Who are these people that demand all station renovations have elevator? Are they related to Tony Murphy's fiasco? Let's see and find out. Because if they have something to do with Tony Murphy's fiasco, they will have to call it a quits. But anyways. Since that this weekend the downtown side was closed due to work, we're doing both sides all together today. We are here at the Uptown/Queens. Queensbound for your local train. Next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. You have the weekend service change. And we have another Queensbound. Oh, this time it's the Mango! Hi, Mango! This is a Queensbound Mango local train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. The I&D towels were pretty much conserved, like the ones done along the Central Park West line. But in addition, here's the artwork that is stationary figures by William Wigman that features his own dogs in several positions. So something that you're gonna notice now is that signal B21004 has a repeater. Here comes Rojo! eastbound Florida local train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. And even we have something that we haven't noticed yet, is that we have already next weekend service change that features no entry between Dimos Boulevard and Queensboro Plaza. No 7 trade between Maxwell's Point and Flushing Main Street. Let's see. No E-trade between Briarwood and Jamaica Center. And all of that. So now we know to get ready for next weekend. And as you guys see, the columns have the same color in every station done under the Enhanced Station Initiative. And from here we can hear the Psychopath. There are station help points, but no USB charging ports. Also, we have the full map of the F and the M. Oh, and speaking of manual, this is a Queens-bound Mango local train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. Now let's exit the uptown side. This side wasn't renovated because it belongs to the Psychopath. And now we're gonna do the Brooklyn side. This group protesting in the corner. Let's see, are they part of Tony Murphy's of Fiasco.
Yeah.
People's Power Assembly.
It was packed.
I wonder who is behind this Fiasco movement. Oh, there's my answer. Johnny Murphy's Conrads. All right, let's continue with the stage tour. This time using the Psychopath entrance. Oh, fried chicken. We're on the downtown side now of 23rd Street along the 6th Avenue line. Let's go from the back. And there comes Frojo! Frojo local train. The next stop is 14th Street. Alright. Now signal B1 1007 has a signal repeater. Sorry for the noise today. Let's go towards the front now of 23rd Street. Attracting attention. So technically it has the same features. So now I'm going to exit the station and concluding the station tour of 23rd Street on the 6th Avenue line. And we hate the psychopath. And this will do it for the station tour at 23rd Street.